Real life trading family, what is going on? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. I'm thrilled and excited to present 3 new challenges for the month of October. As you know, every single month we have new challenges coming your way, and this month is no different. Let's dive in. October is Generosity Month. So your life challenge for October is to post on your social media, whatever social media platform you use. If you don't use any of the normal ones and you want to just post on our Real Life Trading internal Slack page, perfectly fine. But the challenge is post one thing that you are grateful for every single day. Just one thing. Super easy, super simple. I am grateful for, boop, put it in, period, post, done. Next is the real challenge, which is the physical challenge. And this month we're working on our abs. Bang, these guys right here. They're hidden somewhere for me, don't know about you, but let's try to get them out. So what I want you to do is just focus on ab exercises and core exercises in the month of October. Pick and choose which ones that you want, sit-ups, squats, burpees, pick and choose, but really let's have a nice core-centric, stomach-centric, ab-centric focus for our workouts in the month of October. And now, your highly anticipated, keenly awaited October challenge for trading. This one, I'm very excited about. In the month of October, and I'm speaking to every single person out there who is a part of Real Life Trading, I want you to only post and share your losing trades for the month of October. Now, I know a lot of us get really excited and amped up about posting our winners. Look how many R's I just made. Look how much money I just made. I'm about to pay for my car, about to pay off my house, whatever. All the cool gains, fantastic. But in the month of October, we are posting our losers and losers only. I want to see your losing charts, your losing trades. If you're like me, you probably won't have many. Just kidding. Get ready for your stuff to get blown up with losing trades, because what I have found is that I learn the most. Super quick interjection into this video. Make sure to check out these channels below. Did you know that we have now launched Real Life Trading Denmark, Real Life Trading UK, Real Life Trading Australia, and Real Life Trading India? If you are one of our traders who live in India, subscribe to my girl Maloney's channel. Let's enrich lives globally, baby. All right, back to your normal scheduled programming. What I have found is I learn the most from my losers, and I'm ready to keep this learning train going. Post your losing trades only. You're welcome to obviously share whatever gains you've made for the day, but the trades that you post, the setups, the charts, they need to be losers. Let's all learn together for the month of October. You are absolutely amazing, outstanding, terrific, and a fantastic human being. I love you so much. Let's keep enriching lives all over the world. You rock.